Hello traders, I'm Pakkun. Today, I'll be discussing the ribbon indicator. To do so, I'll be incorporating and discussing strategies from around the world. The strategy we're going to verify this time is one that I found on a foreign website. This strategy involves using a TradingView indicator. The person who introduced this strategy said, "It's a wonderful indicator that can cater to users' demands and trading strategies." Now, let's verify whether this strategy can actually succeed. In this project, we will comprehensively verify various strategies, logics, systems, indicators. Let's uncover such fraudulent strategies. Conversely, if the success rate on this channel is high, it might indeed be a great strategy. If you find the idea of the strategy helpful in your trades, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It motivates us. Yes. Let's go ahead and verify the most accurate and surprising a ribbon indicator strategy. It's right here on the screen. What is the surprising a ribbon indicator strategy? This strategy uses the TradingView indicator. RK 10 megaamperes types ribbons. This is not just a simple moving average ribbon, but an indicator with numerous features and options. It lists various types of moving averages, allowing users to select the best one based on their own trading strategies. Introducing the indicator. Used in the surprising a ribbon indicator strategy. RK 10 MA types ribbons. RK 10 MA types ribbons is a well-known ribbon indicator in the FX market, as the name suggests. However, it's not just a regular MA ribbon. It offers numerous features and options, making it an excellent MA ribbon indicator that addresses specific needs. With this indicator, you can select based on your trading strategy. You can select a specific type of moving average if needed. You can also set the number of moving averages to display on the chart with a maximum of 10. For example, if you need for moving averages, you simply input the desired number. One notable feature of this indicator is the wide range of calculation methods available for moving averages. There are for automatic drawing methods, including Fibonacci sequence, arithmetic progression, geometry. By default, the Fibonacci sequence is selected, and the initial length of the moving average is set to 5. As a result, moving averages of lengths 8, 13, 21, 34, and so on are generated, with a maximum of 10 moving averages displayed. Furthermore, there are options available for customizing the call. The usage of RK 10 megaamperes types ribbons involves identifying trends and crossovers using more ribbons. You can use 1, 2, or 3 or more moving averages in combination. If all the moving averages in the ribbon are moving in the same direction, it indicates a strong trend. However, if the direct, by changing the color of the ribbon, you can instantly grasp the market trend. When prices are rising, the ribbon turns green, and when prices are falling, the ribbon turns pink. If the price falls below the longest moving average, it signals a sell signal skull. Conversely, if the price rises elbow, when the ribbon is expanding, it indicates a strong trend. Conversely, if the ribbon is contracting or folding in different directions, it suggests the formation of a new trend. However, this is not necessarily a signal of reversal and may also indicate consolidation or a range before the continuity. In summary, the moving average ribbon is a useful tool that allows you to grasp market trends from both short-term and long-term perspectives. It helps evaluate the strength or weakness of trends and assess changes in momentum. The key points of the strategy are its usefulness in capturing both long-term and short-term trends. Astonishing explanation of the moving average MA ribbon indicator strategy. Time frames available. All time frames. Applicable currency pairs, cryptocurrency, foreign exchange, stocks. Incredible approach and settings for the moving average MA ribbon indicator. RK 10 MA types ribbons. There are no changes in the strategy this time. However, since there are plenty of parameters, feel free to try out various combinations. In the case of a buy when you see the rocket signal. Take profit. Settle the trade when you see the skull signal. Stop loss cut. The recent low or the skull signal. In the case of sell, Sell when you see the skull signal. Take profit. Settle the trade when you see the rocket signal. Stop loss, loss cut. The recent high or the rocket signal. Backtesting verification results of the amazing MA ribbon indicator strategy. The verification period conducted was from November 22, 2021 to January 31, 2023, spanning for 135 days, 1 year, 2 months, and 9 days. The currency pair used was XAU-USD on a 30-minute time frame. The duration of this partial period doesn't hold any particular significance, it's just the number of days used for testing, which is approximately 1 hour of testing. Upon conducting the verification, it appears that setting the profit-loss break-even point could yield favorable results if profits are obtained. It is also worth considering using 9 moving averages, as it seems to effectively filter out noise and potentially increase profits. Additionally, testing with a risk-reward ratio of 1:1 or 1:1.5 seems promising. The strategy of taking profits at the break-even point, when profits are realized, is highly promising. Consider keeping some trades to maximize profits. While this is based on historical data, there may be opportunities to further increase profits depending on future market conditions. Setting the moving average to 9 may effectively filter out noise and potentially increase profits. However, changing the number of moving averages can impact the performance of the strategy, so please consider it carefully. It is recommended to conduct backtesting to find the appropriate number of moving averages. Setting the risk-reward ratio to 1:1 or 1:1.5 is a commonly used and effective approach in trading strategies. This increases the likelihood of achieving returns that are commensurate with the risk taken. However, the optimal risk-reward ratio can vary depending on market volatility and the characteristics of each trade. To find the optimal risk-reward ratio, considering individual strategies and market conditions, thorough backtesting and risk management strategies are necessary. Additionally, long-term validation is highly beneficial for evaluating the reliability of a strategy. Conducting additional validation and assessing the stability and reliability of the strategy is crucial. While validation results based on historical data are valuable, it's important to note that markets are subject to change and new factors may emerge. Therefore, when applying validation results to future trades, proper risk management is essential. Elapsed days, 435 days. Total trades, 71. Winning trades, 18. Losing trades, 53. Total profit, 235.37 pips. Profit sum, 787.4 pips. Loss sum, 552.03 pips. Profit factor, 1.42. Win rate, 25%. Loss rate, 75%. End of the amazing MA ribbon indicator strategy. How was it? For those who are interested, please try it out with various currency pairs. Also, if there are any websites, YouTube channels, or dubious methods that viewers are curious about, please let me know. If it seems feasible for validation, I would be interested in testing them in the future. Thank you, and this is Pakkun signing off.